What is up, everybody? Rising Sun Automotive here, Rez here again, and today we're gonna unveil a new budget build. So you know that here we love our Subarus. You know, we got Alan Subaru, we got Kobe Jack's STI, his Subaru. So you know we're a big fan of them. I had my own WRX wagon, but today we're unveiling the new project car, I guess, or budget build for the channel. I'll just go ahead and show you guys right now. You probably saw it in yesterday's video, but bam, we got the Subaru M3, baby. No, it's just a Forester XT. So if you guys know anything about these cars, they are pretty much an Impreza in a bigger body, and they actually come with the XTs. Actually come with a 2.5 STI motor with a WRX turbo, WRX and the WRX drivetrain. So like the transmission, this one is a 5-speed, and we got a lot of plans for this. My goal with this was I really wanted another Subaru, but honestly, I did not want to spend the money for an STI. They're too expensive. WRX prices are going up, and this is like, you don't see them too often. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to show you guys, if you're interested in getting like a STI or a WRX or something like that, that you can do it on a budget and have a rockin' dad wagon. Because again, you don't see these too often. They don't really make them that often. They didn't make that many of them. So yeah, so this is gonna be it. We got a lot of stuff we're gonna be doing to this car. First, we're gonna start with maintenance, because I got this for a good price, but there is a little things I need to address in the upcoming videos. I actually picked up a newer set, or nicer set here, of WRX stock suspension, because the ones on the car are not that good. It's got some axle rubbing in the back or whatever. It's like some weird ass noise. The brakes are shot, so I actually got a whole new set of brakes coming in. Got a new axle for the right rear, and then I got the new ball joint and the ball joint assembly for it coming. But you know we like our cars hella ratchet here. So the first thing that we're actually going to do is we're going to go ahead and chop that stock muffler off now that it's registered. And then in the upcoming weeks, we're actually going to be putting a new exhaust on the car. But for now, this is way too quiet for me, and I want to hear that rumble. So let's get started. So it's a pretty easy ratchet install. All you're going to need is a Sawzall, and I recommend some safety glasses of any kind. But yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, we are here under the car. We're just gonna cut right here. You should usually just wait till the fucking exhaust is cold, but we were driving it, and I gotta go to work in a little bit, so we're just gonna do it like this. I got some gloves on. Shouldn't be too bad. I don't think it's too crazy hot. Yeah, it's not like too bad. It's hot outside, so that's something. But I'm gonna cut that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and pull this off of the hanger here. Try not to destroy this, but again, it doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, let's get right to it. Just like that, the exhaust is cut off, as closest to the muffler as we could get. Now we just got to remove this hanger right here, and we'll be good. Give it the first start. Alright, so we got it cut off. Now we're going to get the first start, couple revs, and then should sound pretty good. Get to it. Sounds so freaking good. Just like I thought it would. Can't wait to get the exhaust on there, but for now this will do. And it gives us a little bit more noise, so we can hear that boxer motor. And yeah, it gives us just a little bit more driver engagement, I think. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just give you another walk around of the car. Let's go to it. So, like I said, it's a Forester XT. It's a 2004. It's got some miles on her, but with some maintenance, as long as you do maintenance on everything, pretty much can go on for as long as you maintain the car will be good. But yeah, a couple issues that it has. just a little body work. Obviously it needs little dings and dents, but it's an old ass car, so the window regulator in this window does not work. The one on the other side is really twitchy. It does work, but kind of has a mind of its own. Best part about having a wagon or Forester or like anything like that, all this trucks, all this space that you have that you get in it, you can pretty much haul whatever you want. I really wanted the premium model with the sunroof, but however, I opted to trade the sunroof in for having a manual shift knob. Yep, 5 gears. My buddy Alan gave me his shift knob off his WRX, so way nicer than the one it came with, but still pretty decent. Overall, it was pretty good. 2-owner car. It was fully stock, which I really couldn't believe. But again, this is not an actual STI or WRX, so you can easily see why nobody ever owned it. The first owner was an old lady, and the second owner was somebody local around here. But it's only had 2 owners. It's got about 165,000 miles. But no problem. Like I said, we're going to get into the maintenance, and the car will be golden for as long as I own it. Probably better in my own. I don't know where it cut off on the recording there, but like I was saying, probably better off now in my ownership. We're gonna take care of this car, do everything that it needs to make sure that it's running right, and that it has a good life. Really, my plans would be to make like a budget Forester STI build. That's like, I really like the Forester STIs, so we're gonna completely transform this thing. The GTR, as of now, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, she's still here. The Garage Queen. Just got some new tires on that. I need to make a video on that. Some nice R888s in the rear. Toyo Proxy Sports up front. But yeah, I love it so far. Just got to address the minor things that's wrong with it, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking to get WRX or STI, consider the Forester a good alternative, because again, STI motor, WRX turbo, manual transmission, Subaru all-wheel drive, perfect car. Just a little bit different. I personally love the way that it looks, especially with a nice stance on it. Get some wheels on there, lowered a little bit. The car really looks really good in my opinion. So that's the goal. We're just gonna keep on going with it. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna tackle the maintenance. Like I said, wheel bearing, axle, the wheel bearing assembly, and brakes all the way around, rotors and pads for this thing. And then we're gonna do those newer WRX struts that look like they're in a lot better condition than these. But yep, there she is. I got a really cool plate coming for it, and got already our first sticker here, Meatwad. If you know, you know. But yeah, catch you guys next time.